What's going on, everybody? Good morning. I am just coming from the gym, early morning workout at the gym that I attend, and I just want to kind of let you know what happened to me. Today is what, the 2nd of January? 2nd of January, so the second day of the year. I got the guy that owns the gym actually bought a new gym, a bigger gym, probably 3 times the size of the gym that we were originally in. And today was the first day that we were in. And he came up to me, and he's been sending me messages. And he saw me today because today was the first day I was in the new gym. And he said, hey, I need to talk to you real quick, business. I'm like, okay, cool, right? And he said, I need a cleaner for this gym. I said, awesome. I'll take some pictures, I'll do some measurements, and I'll be able to give you a quote, by tomorrow. And he's like, great. I started asking questions, what he thought he needed, how many times a week he wanted, what he actually specifically need clean. He's like, I don't know, because like I said, the gym was much, much smaller. But now it's 7,500 square feet, so it's a nice sized gym. So I'm saying all this to say, I didn't go to him asking him if he wanted a walkthrough, if he needed a cleaning company. What I did was made it known that I have a cleaning company, and I'll tell you how I did that. It's by promoting myself, promoting my brand, social media presence, commenting on their site, because they have an Instagram and stuff, and when they put up posts and stuff like that, I'll comment, like, and all that other good stuff. And he saw one of the posts that I made about the gym that I'm attending now, right? And I've only been there like 3 months, but with me being there, he knows that I have a cleaning company, right? How does he know? Because of social media, because I wear my brand every day. They always know, okay, Squeaky Clean LLC. Oh, that's a brand. What is that? They ask you questions and you tell them, well, yes, this is what we do. We service these type of facilities. We offer these types of packages. Let people know that you have a business, a cleaning company, not just a cleaning company, but a business, period. So with that being said, he came up to me. He knows that I have a cleaning company. He needs a cleaning company. I did not go to him. I did not even ask him, even though I know where they were going to a bigger facility. So now I have an opportunity to, provide, bring in more revenue, provide a service, and continue to build a relationship, because he owns a gym, other people own gyms, and they usually know each other in some way, shape, or form, and it just goes from there. So when you're out there, wear your brand, show off, what you do, what you have, what you offer, and stuff like that. Let people know you have a cleaning company. A lot of times they don't know. You're just walking around, with your mouth closed and not saying, hey, do you need this service or whatever. Like I said, you don't always need to do that. You just have to have a presence. So with that being said, guys, Happy New Year to everybody. Make sure you're grinding. Start off the new year grinding. Start off the new year like you have a goal, like you have intent. Stay consistent. Keep grinding. That being said, you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the year. Let's go.